Tonight on FYI, how can the height requirement for upcoming PNP candidates be waived? This news feature is brought to us by
CBRC Lucena.
According to NAPOLCOM Memorandum Circular Series of 2013-004, the age, height, and weight requirement for initial appointment to the PNP may be waived only when the number of qualified applicants fall below the approved national or regional quota. Waiver of the age requirement may be granted provided that the applicant shall not be less than 20 nor more than 35 years of age. Waiver of the height requirement may be granted to a male applicant who is at least 1 meter and 57 centimeter and to female applicant who is at least 1 meter and 52 centimeter, provided that the minimum height requirement for applicant who belongs to indigenous group duly certified by the National Commission on Muslim Filipinos or the National Commission on Indigenous People shall be 1.52 meter per male and 1.45 meter per female, provided that the number of such examinee should not be less than 2,000, otherwise, such privilege is granted only to top 10. The grant of waiver is not a guarantee for appointment into a police service. Factors to be considered in the grant of waivers to applicants. Number 1. Possession of special skill in evidence gathering and safekeeping, cybercrime investigation, detection and prevention, crime scene investigation, martial arts, marksmanship, and similar special skills. Number 2. Special talents in the field of sports, music, or arts and culture. Number 3. Extensive experience or training in forensic science and other legal, medical, and technical services. Number 4. Outstanding academic records and extracurricular activities of applicant during his or her school days. Number 5. Applicant who possess the least disqualification shall take precedence over those who possess more disqualifications. Number 6. The requirement shall be waived in the following order: age, height, and weight. Processing of waiver application. Number 1. The folder of the applicant who passed the evaluation of the PNP Screening Committee shall be endorsed and submitted to the Commission and Bank through the Office of the Vice Chairman and Executive Officer, containing all the supporting documents together with the Chief PNP's endorsement. Number 2. After receipt of the folder, the Vice Chairman and Executive Officer shall present it directly to the Commission and Bank for proper disposition, in accordance with or pursuant to the requirements of the law and the rules. Number 3. The Commission and Bank, by way of an en banc resolution, may directly grant age, height, and weight waiver upon its collective determination, which shall be done pursuant to law and the rules that the applicant has the attitude to be a capable police officer, based on any or some of all the factors enumerated earlier. Number 4. The NAPOLCOM Regional Director may grant height waiver to a member of an indigenous group. Number 5. If the application is referred to the NAPOLCOM Waiver Committee for evaluation, it shall submit its recommendation to the Commission and Bank not later than 15 days from the date of the referral. Number 6. The Commission and Bank may approve or deny, in part or in full, the recommendation of the NAPOLCOM Waiver Committee. Number 7. The Commission and Bank resolution shall indicate the fact that the grant of waiver is not a guarantee for appointment into the police service, and the applicant with waiver will only be considered when the number of qualified applicants fall below the minimum office or unit quota. This is Apollo Batausa Jr. for CBRC Newsline.
CBRC Lucena, located at with these contact numbers. CBRC Lucena has a new expansion office located at